Okay, here's the construction of this door that I'm making. This is how it's going to be made. You're going to have several boards like this, and then one thing I'm going to have to be careful is I want these hinges to be used right here. And so these boards are going to overlap each other about an inch or so, and then I'm going to have caulk in between them so that it'll keep out rain and stuff. And then this is going to be the size of it. And this is 79 1/4. So we'll see how it works. Should be okay. Alright, I'm going to have to use longer screws. These are 1 5/8, and they are a little bit too short because the boards are almost 1 inch. Okay, this is the hinge. Basically here was the hinge that was here, but this particular hinge and this particular door are totally different, because the other door that I had on here was based on these 2x4s right here. These are just 2x4s that I bought at the home improvement store. So I moved this hinge right here exactly over to the edge here, and then this new door is going to have these hinges pressed clear up against this stop. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm going to notch this area out and mark these. Mark this whole hinge area, because it turns really stiff, and that's because this hinge sticks out back here, and I want it to turn freely instead of like it is now. So I'm going to chisel it out, and we'll show you that process.